I gotta show people how snow is, so they can get evident like how hard to go around this area. You know,
some people who aren't in this area.
like people in Thailand, they think that it's easy to go someplace that compared to different over there and over here. For me, I have a hard time to go place that I want to go, but I can't go. You know.
Right.
So.
I should have taken a picture of my place this weekend.
So I put a video of it.
My place, we got a couple of 6-foot drifts in my yard.
It looked like a bullet hitting you on your face.
Yep. I don't know how good your camera is, but if you can take it up against the trees where you can see the snow action.
So people can see what it's like to live in United States, depend in the Midwest. In the southern, like Mississippi, Texas, Georgia, Mississippi, Montana, not Montana, Alabama, Florida, those southern state, right?
Yep.
They have no problem with snow because they don't have the snow.
They don't have problems with that, but they also can get hurricanes.
Yeah, hurricanes,
which are a bigger, uglier thing yet, I think anyway. Because there is nothing you can do about it. How you deal with floods and that much rain, I'd rather deal with a blizzard any day.
I was thinking I might get early retirement too.
Well, if you can, yeah.
Because I have a problem on my left arm. It's hard to hold thing with hard to hold a cup of coffee with my left arm sometimes.
What, do you get some grip issues or just weakness?
Feel a weakness, like you can't grab something that's light, heavy stuff. Because when you work at McDonald's, you're doing dishes, then you carry some heavy, like garbage are not light, they're heavy, and those container that put the dishes, something that's clean, because the metal and they're not heavy, so I need a cart or something to put in, so it's easy to push.
You don't have carts, you just got to carry trays full of the stuff?
Sometimes they have to carry the tray, I guess when you're getting old, how the body function, I guess.
Yeah. But as dishes, you just have what you used to cook with, right? The big pans.
No, we don't use
or spatulas.
See McDonald's. When McDonald's, they're using a plastic stuff. Think about it.
No, I know for
food,
the people that eat, but when you're making stuff, there you got what, glass pans or nothing glass?
No. It's like those things that you put in
the deep fryer.
Deep fryer.
Okay, so you got those cages or whatever.
Cages, because they had to make like a French fry. French fry, chicken nugget, McChicken, fish fillet, crispy chicken. Sometimes.
So how many of those do they have? Do they change them out every hour or something?
They had to change because the oil
gets too slimy on
them. They don't want to. You know how food it is. If you found one example, if you find one fly in those kind of sauce you put in, like a ketchup, mustard inside. They have a thing that they put a mustard in cup in there. So and sometimes I saw a fly make it inside there,
Oh, really?
and the lady says, "What did you clean that for?" I don't want to know fly make it in my
Right. Oh,
you know.
God, you push the ketchup dispenser and out poops a fly?
Yeah.
That would be appetizing.
I don't want to get McDonald's get sued.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah.
get sued many form, you
Yeah.
know. So I had to clean the whole thing.
Yeah.
I don't understand how
Okay, so you
Latino.
want to do Walgreens on the way back?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got to Carrefour first. No, not Carrefour. Well, Best Buy first.
Best Buy, then Walmart.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanna have a normal life. You know, I came back from Texas. This is how I get it. That time we don't have enough money. I mean, I want to see how much to buy that thing. Or maybe some people can help me.
Yep. Now, does this have to be fixed, or do you need a new one, or what?
No, I need my Wi-Fi disappear.
Off of here?
Yeah, and if they can go take a look, maybe I don't know how much.
Okay,
cost.
so that's it. You've still got the Wi-Fi in the house, right?
Yeah.
But just not getting it in here.
No,
Okay. I mean, can that be just a connection wire too, or not?
no.
It's in here.
Yeah, you don't have those wires stuff that you connect into the router.
Okay.
Man, today technology is kind of. That's why I wish I can live in the old west. Everything's was cheaper.
Yeah.
I mean, a beer that costs like 5 cents to drink.
Well, I mean, it's all
Saloon, when you go into a saloon, you get drink like 5 cents a beer.
right, but it's all relative. 5 cents a beer then equates with a $3 beer now. I think you're still spending the same percentage of income for it.
I don't understand how people
Because
make food over there.
Back in the old West, the cowboys and whatever didn't make much money. Most of their existence was done to where the big farmers and ranchers would put them up, give them a place to sleep and eat. And what they made doing the cowboy stuff was very minimal.
So, I think the closest to cowboys is a farm today.
Yeah, I don't know if there's anything similar to that now.
Well,
There are,
there's a horse, cow.
yeah, but I don't think there's the true cowboys anymore. I would imagine there are some ranches that have a lot of cattle out that graze,